everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this US Organics Sesame Seed Oil. I have tried quite a few other sesame seed oils. This has been my favorite so far. It is USDA certified organic, so it is 100% pure. There's no added chemicals, no added fragrances. It is cruelty free, so there's no animal testing, which I really love. I like to use this product on my cuticles, on my skin, on my scalp. It absorbs really quickly and really evenly and nicely. It doesn't leave a residue. The scent is really mellow. Some scents of sesame seed oil are really strong. This one isn't like that. It's also used as a carrier oil if you like to use essential oils or you do massage therapy, anything like that. It's perfect as a carrier oil. You can add other things to it. And it does absorb into your skin really quickly and leaves it really soft and smooth. I've enjoyed using this a ton. It is a 2-ounce amber bottle, if you can see. It does have a dropper. The dropper is glass also, which is really nice. A little goes a long way. I have been using this for probably about a month, and a little goes a long way. Like, I only need a few drops and I feel way smooth and my skin feels hydrated. So if you are in the market for a completely pure, unrefined sesame seed oil, I would highly recommend looking into this one. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.